Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of the 2024 Cougar 24RDS. This is part of their half-ton towable line. So this is going to be dual axle with 2 slides, and it only weighs 7,600 pounds. It's probably going to be a little too heavy for most of your half tons, so make sure to check your weight rating. That is for sure. Don't want that to mislead you by any means, but this is a very well built camper. It's a perfect size and weight to zip in and out of all of your campgrounds, check the sites, you know, maybe pick up and just kind of go on a road trip. That is what I imagine this floor plan doing. It's a couples coach with a rear den, the ability to sleep, you know, maybe a grandkid or two, you know, for a long weekend. But I think you guys are going to really enjoy it. All the specifications, including a link for the price and a link to work with me, will be down in the description. But let's go ahead and get right into it. We'll start on the inside, work our way around the outside, and drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Definitely helps me push out to more people. The more people interact, so I would greatly appreciate it. I got a goal of hitting 75,000 subscribers here in 2024, and it is pretty darn lofty, so I could use your help. But again, it's the 2024 Cougar 24RDS. Pretty basic floor plan with all the space that you could possibly need. You got one slide here, another one up in the bedroom for, you know, like a closet. But this is going to be your rear den. Otherwise, it's going to be, you know, a basically a super elongated dinette. So perfect to sit down, play some cards, have a drink, have some dinner. You also have this table that is movable, so you can bring it inside or outside. Or you can drop it down, drop it on those nubblies, and you can turn this into some extra sleeping. You're also going to notice you get some overhead storage with the black glass insert and 3 windows out the back that all open up for a nice breeze. Plus they all have the old Dracula shade, the night shade. Stop the old skin from sizzling. Keep the nosy eyes out. If you can't make it all the way to this door, you do have an emergency exit here in the back. Hopefully you don't need to use it. Right here you got your slide. I also like how there's no carpet. It's going to be a flush mount slide, so you're going to get a little bit more space, which is why you can put in that 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. You also have your power theater seating as well, which is a nice little added touch. So with the click of a button, you know, you're reclining. You also got a little light you can turn on with USB, 2 cup holders and a place for a book. But it's going to be right across from your TV. And you also see you have a fireplace. Now I'm running off the battery right now, so I can't turn on the fireplace, but it puts out 4,777 BTUs of power. And in an RV this size, you will not turn it on to full power. I mean, it'll roast you out of this even on a chilly 40-degree day. That is a perfect item to have, you know, to keep down, you know, on those propane costs. There's also, when that slide, you also get a lot of floor space, which I enjoy. So you got some room for activities. You also got the in-command system right here. So this is going to be your control center. I got a piece of plastic over it, so it usually looks a little bit brighter. But, you know, you can check on your batteries, the interior lights, your HVAC, where you can change, you know, your temperatures and whatnot. You also get a bigger Coleman Mach AC, which is nice. 40-inch TV here that is on a swivel, so you can pull it out and angle it back at the dinette if you choose. A lot of good countertop space, and this is going to be the control for your, you know, AM/FM radio with a DVD player. So zone 1 and 2 for that. Good little viewing window. You have another light that you can turn on. Hood vent. You also have the 3 stovetop burner to whip up all the fixings. You also have a pretty good size oven with an adjustable rack. You could cook in, you know, maybe like a chicken or 2. You also have a fuse box, so if something isn't working, make sure to check that out there. Now back here, you're going to notice you get a microwave, overhead storage, and then even more storage. And again, black glass insert. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. Bada bing, bada boom. That's going to go all the way back to the corner, so it connects up with this one. And also notice how you got, boom. Also want to point this out. All Keystones are now being equipped with lithium batteries. So if you're not familiar with lithium, it's basically more even heat distributed throughout the entire length of the battery. Even if it's got, you know, 1% left, it's still blasting that off. It doesn't tamper off like some of those 12-volt deep cycle. Stainless steel undermounted bowl with the kind of the wet and dry zone action with a high-rise faucet. Hitting those dishes from all angles. That does pull out further, by the way. And then right over here next to the fridge, boom, more storage. You're also prepped up for 4G LTE and Wi-Fi, so you're more than able to you know, get that. You install like the wine guard, and then you can get Wi-Fi on the road. Bring it up into the bathroom. You can see you got a pretty nice size shower in here. So, you know, I am a bigger guy. I'm 6 foot, 300 pounds. I get in here, I've got moving and grooving room. So it is a perfect shower in a small, compact unit. You also get the Tri-Glide Glass Series to open this up just a hair more. You got a mirror. Check out the old bowling gun. Been practicing left and right. You also have your on-demand hot water heater, stainless steel bowl, and stainless steel appliance too, which I like the way that matches up. 3 pull-out drawers, access to your plumbing, and then you also get another drawer right over here, you know, for your towels and whatnot, and a place where you can hang them there as well. Up in the bedroom, north to south bed with storage up and around, so that way you can put in, you know, plenty of items. It's also very deep, as you can see right there. But you're also going to get outlets and USBs and countertops. That way you can plug in, you know, your CPAP machine and all that. And there's also a little bit more storage right there as well. You get a little mini slide up here where you have 3 dresser drawers, storage under the bed, and a hanging closet, you know, to extend those trips. And again, the soft close, copper tabs with magnetic latches. But I think that about does it here for the full tour. Again, my name is Hunter, and this is the, well, shoot, you know what? I forgot the model number. I apologize. 21RDS. Let's check that. Hire me because I'm friendly. It's the yeah, there you go. 2024 Cougar 24RDS. You also get the climate guard protection, which is basically going to be added insulation into the floor and the roof. Here on the exterior, all the specifications are going to be down in the description, along with that link for the pricing. But you got dual axle. You also have the Road Armor suspension here, which is nice. And it's going to come with ABS, which is going to be a new thing out by Lippert now. But basically, it's an anti-lock braking system if you're not familiar with it. But it's going to be really coming in handy if you ever get into a slippery situation. Massive pass-through storage for the size of this thing. And the opening here is pretty darn big. You also have your metal slam latch doors. LED lights, aluminum frame construction that's welded at all points. And then you have the GFCI invertered outlet, satellite, and cable. Plus metal slam latch door. So it's a pretty heavy door. Boom. Good size awning with no slides here on this side, which means you're going to have plenty of room for all the activities. You know, your cornhole, your picnic tables, your coolers, you know, all that good stuff. You are just having a good time. Up here on the front, you're going to see you get a molded fiberglass front cap. You also have the LED lights and the Road Armor pivoting head, which is going to be nice for your chucking and bucking. Just a little bit more of a comfortable pull as opposed to, you know, like a Rhino pin box, which is one non-moving piece. You got some battery housings there for the lithium-ion batteries and a spare tire. You also get a little leash latch for your furry friend. Tankless hot water heater, I already talked to you about that. Heading out the back here, you're going to get a hitch with a 300-pound weight capacity right there, along with a ladder to get on top of your fully walkable roof, along with prep for a rear observation camera. You are eligible to also get a slide topper on this if you would like. It's basically a piece of awning. Goes from there to there, prevents debris from falling on top. Fresh water connection where you plug in the unit. Heated and enclosed underbelly, and that right there is a place for the old stinky slinky. Sewer dump. Oh gosh almighty, did not realize that was on a hinge there. So well, that's cool, hands free, just don't let it catch you like it almost did to me. This is going to be your docking station where you can winterize, have hot and cold water access in the form of an outside shower. ZAMP power for you know, solar. Black tank flush city water connection. A black tank flush is basically a fancy sprinkler system there for the inside of your poop tank. You are inverter prepped, and then there are the controls for your electric auto leveling. You also get propane here behind this door. But all right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Hit that like and subscribe button for future RV content. Hope it helps. My name is Hunter. Have a great day. See ya. Meow, 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 no, 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 meow, no, 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 meow, no, 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 meow, no, 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 no.